straightening, yeah, straightening, yeah. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. Don't not get straightening but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it. In this game, sit back, be patient. Niggas act like the game went vacant. Niggas act like something been taken. Ain't nothing but a little bit straightening. Been kicking shit popping out daily. On the island, it's a movie I'm making. I'm counting De Niro's with Robert De Niro. He telling them intro amazing. Put that shit on, nigga get shit on. I bought 2 whips and I put my bitch on. She put this wrist on. She factored and said it went.
Hi guys, good morning. I'm up. Still feel kind of drunk. My mom's about to go to the gym. My mom's about to go to the gym because she has the energy of someone on speed. I don't understand. I really thought it was like 11 something. It's like 8:30, 9 o'clock. I was supposed to go to the gym with her. I really don't feel like it. But I should. Let me figure that part out. I don't know. I felt a little drunk from last night. And I gotta start drinking today. We're gonna do brunch. Well, that was some good sleep though. I ain't gonna hold you. So much better than my bed. So much. But day 1 was a success. The comedy show was dope. We went to, I told you about it last night. The comedy show was dope. I'm trying to see what I'm gonna get into today. I think I'm gonna get in somebody's water today, but not with my hair. So that's the goal. Somebody's getting this ass in their water. All right, guys, excuse the dirty mirror, but this is me for today. You know, nice little one-piece outfit. You know, definitely giving, summertime a vacation. So yeah. It's a really tiny bathroom. I wish I can get more of an angle. Excuse the dirty bathroom, dirty mirror. It is what it is. It's tiny in here, but it's cute. So we about to go get brunch. My mother's working out right now. She left me to go work out. I wasn't about to work out this morning. I did not feel like it. Ooh. Let me get out of here. Bye.
5 minutes later.
This don't make no sense. Listen, I ain't mad at the motivation. She ran down the hallway and left me, y'all. Treating me like I'm the 50-something-year-old mother. You been done. Jesus, motivation. Now I gotta go to the gym. Our brunch view, I swear it's like we're in the middle of nowhere. Walking up to go ride the roller coaster. I'm excited. This shit's so crazy. Oh, it's insane. But I'm excited. We're gonna see how this go. Ooh, got a little basketball court or whatever. Ooh, the roller coaster. Oh my God. I'm so scared to ride this roller coaster on this goddamn ship. But we gonna get it. Oh, they got a rope course too? Oh, I may have to do that too. Not right now though. Not right now. Water park for the babies. Some slides. I wish my sister was here because we'll be all in this kiddie place. 2 grown women in this kiddie place. And the roller coaster. Oh, I'm so excited, but I'm scared. I swear we're in the middle of fucking nowhere. Oh, my feet got wet. came back to the room to go pee because, girl, I gotta tell y'all about my peeing experience, but ain't this cute? Is it a dog? I think it's a dog, right? So let me tell y'all how peeing on this motherfucking ship has been stressful for me, okay? Oh, I knocked the doggy head off. Whatever. So, y'all know I got a wax, right? Got me a little wax. And, you know, I went from being Chewbacca by the vagina to being very naked mole ratty. You know what I'm saying? So, trying to squat and piss with no hair on your vagina is the devil's work. Piss was going everywhere, okay? Everywhere. Because what I'm realizing now is that the hair directs the motherfucking piss in the toilet, okay? When there's nothing there to direct the piss, it goes on, it flows everywhere. Not one stream of piss any longer. Next time I get a fucking wax, I'm getting a goddamn landing strip. That's gonna be my pee Navigator, okay? I'll never be bald again, never. Okay, fuck, this is not what's up. I had to wash my jean shorts by hand because, you know, accidents kept happening. So I came all the way back to the room to go to the bathroom, even though I just laid down, because I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this, okay? Let me go piss in peace and safety, okay? So I go to leave the room because I have yet to see my mother because she has yet to come back to the room. I go grab her card that I'm thinking is the right card to grab. So I'm like, let me go do something to go get a drink. It's the wrong damn card. She goes on so many cruises that card was for another cruise. So no free drinks for me. Back to the room I go. I don't know where this woman is. I've been texting her. She hasn't responded to any of my text messages. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to the room and chill out until I see her again. We're supposed to go on this roller coaster around 5, but if she is nowhere to be found around 5, because she's supposed to come back to the room and take a shower, and she still has yet to do that. So I don't know, I'm just gonna go back in there and go edit my vlog until I'm able to contact her, because I can't drink or do anything without her card, and I ain't paying for nothing. Finally found her, guys. She was at the casino.
You gonna miss it?
Right? She really did all the time. And she's in the casino every time.
Okay.
So your mama got a 15 free drinks a day package. You just drink. That's the remedy. She got the pain reliever. Let's see who feels better.
I'm already.
A few minutes later.
They fucking tired as shit. Motherfucking tired. They motherfucking fuck your ass up. When you went, you came from. Hold on.
Yes, I'm listening.
When they fucking fuck you up.
You are not gonna spit in my ear like that.
They fuck your ass.
You are not about to be up in here spitting in my ear like
I
that.
ain't spitting either.
You did, ma. Look at your bottom lip. Your bottom lip is soaked right now.
That man said last time you do like that.
No.
And you lick your lips.
Why you act like you eat vagina?
I don't fucking know. Fucking shit. I'm not.
You love men?
Mm-hmm.
Men don't love you though.
Fuck that, just fucking lie. Them motherfuckers take care of me. I'm my husband and shit. My husband.
I'm a husband.
My husband take. Let me tell you something. If you don't fucking know, you ain't never fucking know.
You gotta stop cussing.
Oh, so I put a cross on my stomach.
Cross on your
on my fucking chest or something like that. Fuck that. I don't believe in religion and shit. You know that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm spiritual.
You spiritual. Oh my
That's
God.
what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. You don't fucking know.
Okay,
You know,
man.
you know what my father said?
What your father
The
says?
truth is a lie.
Yeah, that's pop up. Yeah.
I believe in it. I believe it. see. Listen to what I say. Listen to what I say. The truth is a lie. The truth is a lie. So
what's the truth if the truth is a lie?
Motherfucker tells you is a lie.
So when is the truth the truth?
Never motherfucking truth.
Always a lie. Always heard. That's a lesson learned. That's a word right there.
I was told by my motherfucking father, God bless his soul. He's still here, you know, he probably living right about now. You know,
No, Pop-Up's here getting lit.
Yeah. I left him home.
He got a whole bunch of Jello shots. Ooh, and that.
Are you seeing that?
Shit.
What kind of fucking shit is that?
The first bug we didn't see. Let me see. I need to get where she at. Let me.
You need to pick. Listen here, the pain reliever. Listen here. This goddamn pain reliever. Now we speak in Spanish. Look, when I get on that roller coaster,
we're not gonna. Yeah, you're not gonna feel a thing on that roller coaster. All I know is you sit in the front.
I don't fucking know.
Yeah, yes, you are. Because you ain't about to throw up on me. No, because if you throw up in the front, Matt, I don't know.
Moo, it's Papa talking.
Oh no.
Moo, Papa talking.
Oh my God.
You supposed to only put a certain amount of alcohol. No,
look at his face.
That's why you was laughing.
Let him know. Let him know he make the drinks over here at the Anthony bar.
That's why you was laughing. Because you knew this pain relief was going to release all my pain. I was in a lot of pain from head to toe. Oh, Cecile, we got to go get some.
You want to go now? You want to get some meat now? The pizza spot?
You should get some pain relief.
No, I ain't getting no pain relief. After seeing what pain relief did to you, I don't want it.
Cecile,
I'm good with the remedy. I got the remedy.
She need a pain. She need a pain relief. Where my card go?
Are you serious about to give me this pain relief?
Yes,
you don't know where your card at? Maybe it's inside of one of the other ones.
Wait, here you go. She need a pain relief.
I already got. You didn't even see how I'm gonna feel after this.
No.
That's really.
No. I'm the mother. I'm the mother.
You're irresponsible right now.
No.
You're being irresponsible.
I'm the mother.
So I had to come back to the room to piss because, like I told y'all about my pissing debacle, I'll be damned. So I was in there pissed and I pulled my shorts up and left the top of it down. I was like, oh, this is cute. This is giving a little bit. So I think I'm gonna leave back out with my shit down. Let that belly fly out. And I'm gonna show my mother, and if she start cracking jokes, I'm gonna pull it up. She's so drunk. Walking up to the roller coaster. I mean, when I put on my bathing suit, sure. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. The damn wind is blowing so bad.
Okay, so everything into the cubby is covered. Wallets, samples, bags.
Okay. Oh my God, that roller coaster was so fun.
I'm not doing it again.
I rode a roller coaster on sea. Who you see him? Oh, that's water. Oh my God, no. Ah! I had to get y'all through the water. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Oh, water. Oh, it was so fun. Don't get, oh, you feel sick? Oh no. I mean, I'm good. I feel good. And I done had 3 drinks. That was so fun. $15 for the roller coaster, so I may pay another $15 to do it again because that was so fun. And you get to control the speed and the little jolt, so you get to make it go faster if you want. I was. I kept my hand on the throttle the whole time. So much fun. You gotta do it with me.
This shit was going too fast.
It was going good speed.
I had my eyes closed the whole time.
You had your eyes closed. So beautiful. Not a land in sight. Like, I have to take a cruise at least like twice a year. I love this. Thanks, Mom. She's so mad about this roller coaster.
take it from someone who know how to handle me. I'ma need that real grown kind of energy. Do you know, do you know? Cause you're dealing with a lot of competition. You're gonna have to do a lot of ass kissing. You know I got someone with the timeliness. Tell me boy, do you know, do you know?
We're laying in this little what is it? Bungalow? I don't know what it's called.
Yeah, I talked to
I'm hot. She done took her wig off. Look at her. Her wig is right there. I'm real hot now. Being out in the sun, I'm sweating. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna pay another $15 to get on that roller coaster again.
Good for you. You're not going by yourself. I ain't going back on there with you. I'm not doing no. I'm 56 years old.
That don't mean nothing. You did it the first. You said it's the second time.
But I didn't do what you did to me.
I didn't do it. I did not hurt you. I just kept it going fast the whole time.
I'm fucking sick. I'm nauseous.
You ain't nauseous. You nauseous because you had the pain reliever. The pain reliever was supposed to help.
I'm gonna get the other one.
The remedy.
Not the remedy.
The remedy is what I had.
The after effect.
The deal closer. That one.
I get the deal closer.
Well, we're gonna sit here and chill for a minute. Cause I don't know when she's about to move and get up. Ooh. It does. This water is so beautiful, man. I can't get over it.
And you see why I cruise all the time.
Like, I mean, you must. You have to cruise all the time. Like, I love this. I didn't know it was gonna be like this. For me, it's the scenery. It's just so peaceful. So peaceful, so beautiful.
You're away from society.
Away from the raggediness of America. I love it.
When I was a kid, I could do stuff like this.
Yeah.
You know, it's for rich people. Now I'm unlimited.
Yeah.
I could do anything.
I gotta be like you when I grow up and have unlimited status.
That's what I wanted you to be.
I could be. I just gotta travel more.
No, you gotta make money. You're gonna get there. You're still young.
I am. I'm telling you, I'm gonna be one of the top YouTubers.
I believe it.
With a whole bunch of sponsors and a whole bunch of just promotions and stuff.
You yourself.
Yes.
She's a sweet person. Sweet girl. That's my daughter. That's my daughter. I raised her.
And I'm hilarious, so.
She should have been a comedian because she was so funny.
See, I'm so scared to stand up. I'm so scared to stand up. I really am. But, you know, I just, like, let me tell my stories on YouTube and see how good they go. Because I got some good, funny stories.
Yeah.
All family-based at the end of the day.
Our family is like Medea's family.
Oh, yeah, for sure. For sure. Y'all got to meet my Aunt Sonia. Yeah, I think y'all met her before, but...
Shanti said she's going to marry her. She's going to pay for her.
Sonia going to make... What? Sonia's going to marry Shanti?
That's what Shanti said.
That's whatever Shanti wants.
She's going to pay for her to become a...
ordained minister?
Ordained minister. Can you imagine that shit?
Sonia going to ruin that damn own wedding. I'm telling you right now, Sonia going to go off script.
Stuff so she don't have to be legally married.
100%. Listen, it's not about the paperwork. It's about the love that you have. Let me get off here because this is a horrific angle. Can't even see my neck. This damn woman got me at the casino about to spend $20.
What's your card?
My card, okay. And it was charged, okay, because I got that $100 on it, right? Okay, put it in that one? Both of them? Just this one? Okay. All right, hold on, Keisha. Hold on, Keish. Alright, my card. Gotta get you some points. Okay.
We're gonna see your first time playing, so give me 21.
21. Taking me for all I got, y'all. At first I was being judged about my ones. Now they're coming in handy. Oh, you can insert it like that. Oh. I told you, I'm, you know, if all else fails, we're gonna zap somebody in their dick. Okay. Big money, big money, big money. Huh?
1 cent.
1 cent. God just hit it.
Yep.
Alright. Nothing. This one?
Yeah, then you can take my money.
If I get 6 anyway? Okay, alright. Give me 6. They gave me 1. Alright, I just want 66 cents. Turn it up. Alright, let me talk to you for a second. More than $1. I'm gonna close my eyes. Well, I can still go on. Oh. Alright. Okay, $1.40. It's gonna keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Line 11. Ooh, I'm still racking up. I'm up to $4. Huh? I'm hitting 5. It's $5.70. All right, give me up to $10. Come on, man. $20. Woo! Man. That's right. That was 20 cents. You wrong for that. You wrong for that. All right, keep going. It took me up. I'm $3 over that 20. Give me some money. Flame. Nothing. Flame money. That don't count for nothing. You cut it off, y'all. I don't think y'all helping me. Oh my God. I've won $37 so far. Oh my God, what does that mean? Another big win? Mom, I'm taking it out after this run. Oh, $45? Off of 20? Off of 11? Because I came over here with $11. Yes. One more free game after this one. One more free one. Come on, give me some good. Give me some good. Oh, I'm taking it out. That's crazy. I won $30 off my 20. $30. I like that. Oh, this is finished. Y'all, tell me why I had like 39 minutes worth of random footage because I didn't know that I was still recording my damn phone. I had no clue. I looked through my shit, it said 39 minutes. Mind you, wait, I'm gonna show you the next clip where I'm just, now I got a good glimpse of myself through the casino machine, just watching my mother play. Didn't even know the phone was recording the whole damn time. Not me wasting space. I guess I'll play too. $50. Other amount? I'm gonna play only 20 of it. I wanna only play 20. You ready? Come on now, another massive win. Only won 5 cents. You are the best, we can do it. You are the best, let's go. Give me the money. Show me the money. I gotta take care of my family. And I hit the thing when I did it. What that mean? What that mean? Walk to a whole nother machine, still damn recording. I cut so much out of this video, y'all. It's just shameful. I go and meet her with my mother, still damn recording. Now you can see me in this damn reflection of the machine. Just look at me. You don't even know you on 40 minutes of unneeded content. 40 goddamn minutes.
I knew you was gonna come in here and do good. Huh? I knew you was gonna come in here and do good. Me?
3 hours later.
Now what you in a rush for? What you trying to meet your maker, darling? Oh, you running out of time, huh? The time ain't even real. You really need to chill. It's all an illusion. You get mixed up in the future. Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same old thing. No. But I can tell you straight, there ain't no game, baby. Oh, God bless me, bless me, bless me. God help me. Oh, I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane. Why you wanna?
I'm heading back to the room, calling it a night. I gotta wake up because my trainer sent me a workout, so I gotta do it. Attitude much. So I'm heading back to the room to chill out. Hopefully get another vlog out to y'all while I'm on this boat. Hopefully. The food from that restaurant. The appetizers was the best part. Yeah, and then what my mother got to eat was better than mine. Very bland, very oily, not as flavored as I thought. Like I didn't even vlog or get a clip of the entrees because it just wasn't good. It wasn't good at all. Like the best part was the pot stickers to me. And they only give you 2 because with the free food, they give you small amounts of food as your appetizer, but you can order as many as you like. So if you want all the appetizers, you can get all the appetizers. If you want all the entrees, you can get all the entrees because they're tiny ass portions. But yeah, I will not. Thankfully, that is this day 2 restaurant that we went to. Or let me say that in a better way. Thank God we went to that restaurant early within the trip so that I know not to go back. It wasn't giving what I wanted it to give, especially because it was like I think a Chinese and Mexican infused restaurant. You know, black people love them some Chinese and some damn Mexican food. Wasn't hitting, so I'm gonna call it a night. Had me a little sip of my drink, but I should probably not lay on the food that I did eat. My mother's entree was the better option, but that's what we ended up munching on. I did not. I ordered 2 entrees and ate probably 3 bites out of both. Was not good. But I'm at the room, so I'm gonna go inside and chill out and go edit. They had a little show that that you seen in the clip before. Sorry, I gotta get my key out my van. But there was a little show with a little ballerina performer, which was really cute. I cannot get my damn, y'all, I'm gonna have to go because I can't. Hold on. There we go. But yeah, one of these days I'm gonna go to them shows. I'm gonna show up early. No, I'm about to say. Oh, I was about to say. They didn't open it first. But yeah, see y'all tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.